Hey there YouTube, how's it going? COD Master 2014 here, and just watching a follow-up on the G stations out here of the 5.1 earthquake they had down in Los Angeles area. And there's been numerous aftershocks. I think they said up to 40 aftershocks down there. And the biggest one, I believe, was I can tell you real quick what it is. Let's go down here and check it out. There's the 5.1 down here, the updated version. Wow, it looks like it. They did have the below the surface at 1 to 2 miles. Now it's at 7.5. So a little bit further down beneath the earth. All these are aftershocks within the La Habra area. 3.1 there showing up, and 3.6 looks like it's the biggest aftershock. Of course, they had the foreshock of 3.6 about an hour before the 5.1 kicked up. So this is something very interesting that you need to pay attention to. I think everybody needs to pay attention to. I've been watching all the G stations pop up here. I got we'll start up here at the top. I got Jamal, California, down around San Diego. Grant Village, Yellowstone, I like to pay attention to. Sunland, California is where it's picking up the most activity, the closest to the epicenter where that 5.1 hit earlier. There's a small little aftershock right there. San Andreas, pretty quiet right now. There was a 2.3 that hit just a while ago. Myrtle Point, Oregon. This is what I'm going to try and show you guys right here. Myrtle Point, Oregon is up along the Oregon coastline up there, southern Oregon coastline, near the Cascadia subduction zone, where potential big ones could hit. Now, this right here is what I'm kind of wondering about. There's a little variation in activity here, sizing up with aftershocks in Southern California. Now, I'm not for sure if it's connected or not, but they sure seem likely that it's a possibility that they are connected. There's a separate little small, tiny earthquake down there. It is definitely not associated with that. Well, I guess it could be. But I believe this whole area is unstable. I believe the whole west coast is unstable. And this area right here, up along the Oregon coast, is something we probably need to pay attention to. I believe we might see something a little bit bigger up around this area. That's just my 2 cents. I'll take it for what it's worth. You know, it's possible we could see something around this area here in the bay, considering there has been numerous moderate earthquakes in this area. And then a couple weeks ago we had the what was it, six pointer up here. I can't remember exactly what it was. A couple weeks ago up in this area. We haven't seen much activity around here, or around the San Andreas area, around the bay. So this is something we need to pay attention to right here. This could be an area where something could pop off. I guess we'll have to pay closer attention to it. But in the meantime, I'm still keeping an eye out on the Webby quarters down there in LA, as well as my live seismographs here on the G program, which is the Geological Earthquake Explorer. Very interesting program if you like monitoring seismic waves. Alright, that's it for now, unless something else pops up, which hopefully it doesn't, because I kind of want to go to bed. Alright, that's it for now.